Hi everyone, I'm here to film an unboxing video. Say hi.
Hi.
So this is from Fashionphile. I just opened the box.
Can I open the box too?
Yes, you can.
Ah.
Wow.
Whoa, where are these ones?
This is, I think, this says thank you.
Thank you.
This is mommy's receipt. Ooh, we got a nail file. Okay.
Surprise.
Surprise. Let's see.
Let's see. Okay.
The sticker says used is the new. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Alright, let's put this over here.
The shoe is here.
Thank you. You gonna put it away from mom?
Can I have this?
That's a nail file.
Can I have it?
Yep. Alright.
Alright. Surprise.
Surprise. It's in a Fashionphile dust bag.
Ow. Whoa, what's that?
Let's see what it is.
Okay.
Ooh. Ta-da!
Ta-da.
Smells like perfume.
Whoa, backpack. That's it, cool.
So I got a Chanel small boy bag. This is with the gold and silver hardware. And this is, oh yeah. And this, hey, stop. And this is with the double stitching, so it comes with all the tags. Comes with the original dust bag, and it should come with, yes baby, the authenticity card. This is a 20 series. Okay, let's see. Yeah. So the chains are twisted. Let me fix that real quick.
Oh, yeah.
So there are signs of wear. You can see. And I got this for half retail. So let me know if you guys think that that's a good deal. But yeah, it looks really good so far. I'm gonna inspect it a little bit more, but yeah, this is my Fashionphile unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye.